Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Google Ads for ad copy experiments step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type google.com/ads and press enter. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to the Google sign in page. Enter your Google account email address in the designated field. Click on the next button. Input your password in the next field. Click on the next button again. If prompted, complete any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you will land on the Google Ads homepage. Look for the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar and click on it. In the Campaigns view, select the campaign you want to conduct ad copy experiments for. Now, click on the Ads and Extensions tab within the selected campaign. Look for the plus button to create a new ad. Click on Text Ad or the appropriate ad format for your needs. Craft your ad copy by entering your final URL, headlines, and descriptions. Ensure to set up additional variations if running multiple experiments. After finishing your ad copy, click on the Save button. Your ad will now be part of the testing process. To monitor performance, navigate to the Ad Groups or Ads section. Review the metrics regularly to analyze your ad copy experiments. Adjust your copy based on performance data as necessary. Make sure to document your findings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.